What up? It's Jeremy here, and today we're going to be doing another logo redesign. My friend Daniel has sent through his logo, and he's got a short description here, and it says, my business is a computer repair company, and the name of the business is System 32. And he got the idea because System 32 is like in a Windows computer. You have like these files and these like in the system files and stuff. And he wanted to represent software program files, so he made the folder representing the orange of the name and a circuit board to represent that he fixes stuff. So it's a computer repair business. So at first glance, I got the logo here, so you can see like it's pretty. I like the colors that he used. It's the nice, blue, trustworthy colors. You can see here, I feel like this should be simplified. I don't necessarily feel like you should put the circuit board, even though it is repairing like computer repair stuff. It could have other meanings, and you can't really tell that it's a folder right now. And you can see here the numbers. These are non-lining numbers. So a non-lining number means that the numbers are not in line. So this, you can see, just ungroup that. It's a compound path. I don't know why that's a compound path. Let me just... Okay. So you can see if I bring that up. So sometimes you have, these are lining numbers, so it will like line up the baseline, but sometimes they'll be like all like out of whack. So you want to try and, keep it simple and stuff, and, adjust it if you have to for the sizing. So, and I think there's too much spacing, too much kerning here with the actual font that you've used. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify this logo. So I'm just going to bring it over here. I'm going to start with a font. I'll keep it all one word. So I'm just gonna go for a sans serif font. I think that's a good choice. Because you want it's modern and you want to appeal to a modern audience. So we got, which ones do we have? I'm just gonna quickly go through some of my fonts here. That's even a nice one. Go bold. Cocoa Goose Classic, we'll see this. This has got like a rounded feel. It's a bit too rounded, so I'm going to test some other fonts out. I've got Avenue here. Corporate. This is rounded. Yeah, that's too round for that one. What else? I got Connect. This is a good font. So you can see, just selected a few fonts that are sans serifs. So I can just do a quick test. So I'll use the Connect one. This represents the feeling that I want. So what I'll do, I'll just simplify, keep it simple. You don't have to make the kerning heaps wide. You can even just tighten it up a little bit. Make it nice and technical and sharp. I'll use the same colors because I think the colors are fine. And we're just gonna fix that up like this. And I'll take the icon and I'm just gonna simplify it. So I don't think you need the whole circuit board deal, but what you can do is I'm gonna play around with this. And what I'll do, I would either make that like that, or I can use the same color here. And I would like multiply, add like a nice shadow, 60%. So that's kind of cool. And I'll take some elements of this circuit board. So I'll just chuck this over here in case. And because I feel you don't need that whole thing. Even if we just use one like this. I'll flip this. Actually, I can just duplicate this one. So you get that USB. I'll just turn off snap to pixel. Just plus that together, line it up. So you can get the universal USB icon. I think it's a bit similar to this. If I go, yeah, so you can see even the USB icon, you can see here, you can get some IDs, but we don't have to do it exactly. You could do that, or you could keep it like this. It's got that circuit board feeling. It is a little too thick though, I feel. But for now, like it's okay. Like you're getting that techie vibe from it. And those circuit tracks, or whatever you call them. So we could do it like this, or you could make it white, like that. Just really simple. And I would line it up. And there you go. That's what I'd do to it to make it look pretty cool. If you do like these tutorials, you know, send through your logo and I'll be happy to do a logo redesign. I love doing these. It's really fun. And, you know, so we can learn it and progress and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.